Good morning. Today's class we'll discuss about the introduction to cell and its theory. Understanding the basic unit of life, presented by Aishwarya, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. So coming to the introduction, the cells are the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all living organisms. All the living things are made up of one or more cells. These cells carry out life process such as growth, reproduction, metabolism and response to stimuli. Discovery of the cell. Robert Hooke is the first person to discover the cell in the year 1665. He first observed cells in cork by using a microscope and he coined the term cell. Anton Leeuwenhoek is the second person to observe the cell in the year 1674 and he observed living cells in pond water, bacteria, sperm cells and he called them animalcules. The cell theory, introduction to the cell theory, it was formulated in the year 19th century and it is the fundamental to modern biology. It is developed mainly by Matthias Schleiden in the year 1838 and he said that all plants are made up of cells. Theodor Schwann said that all animals are made up of cells. So the key statements of cell theory are three numbers. One is the all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. And the second is cell is the basic unit of structure and function in organisms. All the cells arise from the pre-existing cells. These are the key statements of cell. And the types of organisms based on cell number. There are two different types of organisms based on cell number. One is the unicellular organisms and the second is the multicellular organisms. The unicellular organisms are the one-celled organisms. The examples are amoeba and bacteria. The multicellular organisms are many-celled organisms. They are the humans and the plants. The cells are mainly classified into two broad categories. One is the prokaryotic cell and the second is the eukaryotic cell. The further classification is based on structure, function and organism type. The number one is the plant cell, second is the animal cell, third is the fungal cell, fourth is the protist cells and the last is the bacterial cells. The prokaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells are simple small cells without a true nucleus. The genetic material is in the nucleoid region and there are no membrane bound organelles found in the prokaryotic cells. These prokaryotic cells are found only in the bacteria and archaea. Example of the prokaryotic cell is the E. coli. The eukaryotic cells have large and more complex than prokaryotic cells. They have a true nucleus enclosed in nuclear membrane and these eukaryotic cells contain membrane bound organelles such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, etc. They are also found in the animal and plant cells, fungi and protist. Coming to the plant cells cell wall are made up of cellulose for support. Chloroplast is used for photosynthesis and there are large central vacuoles used to store water and nutrients. The plant cells are usually rectangular in shape. An example for plant cell is leaf, which is a mesophyll cell. Animal cells, there are no cell wall or chloroplast present in the animal cells. They have a small vacuole, centriole and lysosomes. The animal cells are flexible, round or irregular in shape. Specialized type of animal cells such as nerve cells, muscle cells, RBCs. An example for animal cell is neuron. The fungal cells are eukaryotic. They have a cell wall. The cell wall is made of chitin but not made on cellulose. The fungal cells lack chloroplast. They may be unicellular yeast or multicellular mold. They store food as glycogen. They are reproduced by spores. The protist cells are diverse group of unicellular eukaryotes. They may have plant-like, animal-like or fungus-like features. Examples of protist cells are amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Thank you.